Hi, this is Ricky and check this out. I thought I would combine some of my favorite hobbies, RC airplanes, 3D printing, and fishing. I designed and 3D printed this payload release mechanism and mounts for some floats, and I thought I could use this release to drop a fishing lure way farther out than I could cast.
Release activated.
Long story short, it worked perfectly, but it is not efficient at all, as I can make about a dozen casts and cover way more water in the time it takes me to set up and drop my lure and then taxi the plane back for another go. But if you came here to watch me catch a fish, here's a quick video of one later on in the day.
Oh, there's one. That's a good one. Stay pinned. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one on that little bladed jig. All right. 3.2 pounder. You go get bigger.
Since it turned out to be so nice and super calm, I decided to go ahead and fly around a bit and practice some touch and goes.
.9 volts. Flight logged. Five minutes. .6 volts. .8 volts. 11.7 volts. Motor reversed.
It's here that I found out that the built-in down thrust of the motor pushes the tail of the slow ultra stick into the water when reverse thrust is enabled.
Motor normal. Motor reversed.
I found out that I could make it work, but I had to just barely give it any throttle while in reverse.
Motor normal. 1 minute. Motor reversed. 30 seconds. 11.8 volts. Motor normal. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.